Hello everyone, this is Kim from the Beauty Biz, and in today's video I'm going to give you a how-to tutorial on how to iron on transfers onto clothing. Now today I'm demonstrating the jeans and how you can use the applique sets of iron-on transfers that we have on the website to match our custom designed graphic tees. And first of all, the things that we will need are our iron-on transfers, silicone sheets, and I'll explain that in a moment. We're going to use a pair of blue jeans today for our demonstration, and we just have a regular household iron set on the highest setting you can with no steam. If you do have water in your iron at the moment, pour the steam out and proceed with the instructions. Now, these transfers I've already cut, but most transfers come light and dark transfers, but the difference is you do not peel the white and you peel the dark. And you can see I've kind of started this one. So we're just going to peel the transfer. See, we're going to peel the transfer, and this is just a demo to show you how to peel. I've already got the ones that I'm using on the jeans to peel these and lay out your designs exactly. Place them where you want to on your blue jeans, your denim jacket, your vest, or any item of clothing that you want. And just for the sake of this, we're going to put our cheetah lips. See, they're cut out little cheetah lips. And we're going to place these on the jeans where we want them, and we're going to cover them with a silicone sheet. Now, a little tip that I do have is if you're doing more than one, use more than one silicone sheet. So I've placed these here. You guys, this is so simple. Okay, now we're going to take the hot iron and we're going to place it on the transfer. We're going to hold for at least 30 seconds. It doesn't take long. And you know, some people say to iron the transfers, if it was a larger design, we would do it and kind of move from the center out and hold and press for 30 seconds. But because the design I'm working with today is so little, we're just going to do this. Okay, we're done with that one. And make sure you have an ironing board or a table or a flat surface to do these on so your designs are not crinkled in the middle. Crinkled, that's a technical term. Okay, we're holding this for at least 30 seconds. Minimal movement. Okay, as you can see, they are immediately affixed to your fabric. Now I'm going to lay these out. I've got one more set of lips, so I'm just going to kind of figure out where I want them. And you guys, this is so retro, vintage, inspired designs. You can mix and match anything. There are so many different options as far as the transfers go. And for darker fabric, anything other than white, you would use a dark fabric transfer. So unless it is a white t-shirt, every other thing that you need to create will go on a dark transfer, and if it's white, you will use a light transfer. Okay. You ladies, it is that simple. Now you've got the cheetah lips on our blue jeans. And you can see it's a form of art. It is so creative. We went to an event last Saturday, and the orders I got and the request for the instructions on how they could do it at home with the iron-on transfers, I thought that I would just make a video and share this with you guys at home. The how-to video will be posted on the website in perpetuity, so you can go on there and either watch the iron-on transfer video or 5 ways to style our graphic tees. And in that video, I show you how to cut and fray the bottom of your t-shirts, and also how to bead them as well. Now in the future we will have how to glitter your own t-shirts. That's an upcoming video this month, so stay. I hope you guys enjoyed the how-to tutorial video on how to do your iron-on transfers on jeans. You guys try it on the back of a denim jacket or on a t-shirt, on your jeans, just like I showed. It is so super simple. You guys, I appreciate you always, and just remember, much love.